Yup, the fire alarms are being tested at Miami Lakes Middle School. The fire alarms are being tested at Miami Lakes Middle School. Hold on. Let me zoom in so you could see the strobe. You could barely see it because the camera's not focusing. You could barely see it. Let me see. I zoom in the inside. So stop the car. See, let me see in the inside the tree. I'm gonna get closer.
This one right here.
I need to get closer so you could see it.
Tap on it with your finger, and it zooms in.
I need to.
There.
I'm getting the camera to focus so you could see it. Yes. Yup. I need to get the one inside there. I need to get a little closer so you could see it.
Get this one. This one right here.
Yup. The fire alarms are being tested at Miami Lakes Middle School. Let me get closer so you could see it.
Yeah?
I need to get down inside there.
Where?
You could see it. Yup. They could see it.
Tell me when to stop, because I don't know when. Keep
I
going.
could see the light in there.
Where? Oh, inside the window?
Yes. You could. I could see the light inside this window. Let me zoom in so you could see it.
Alright, we're leaving. Yeah?
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you link, and make sure you link, and make sure you comment and subscribe also. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.